And this is another from the series of YVES roses. This is YVES Charlotte Splash. You see it has such a beautiful variegation and also amazing fragrance. So compared with Abracadabra, that has stunning colors but has absolutely no scent, this one gives you such a truly wonderful rich rose scent. And also it's a very large flower, like you can see, compared large, beautiful, and it's not yet fully opened, and it does not have any disease for now. So I'm also thankful that it didn't react bad to not getting water 5-6 days like other roses did. So in that sense it's resistant somewhat to less watering, and also probably more resistant to powdery mildew, but so beautiful. And there is still so much here at the center to open, and like I said, the perfume is amazing, and the shape is really lovely, like peony. See, truly you should have this in your collection. Truly a wonderful plant and such huge flower despite being still such a baby. See, it's in such a small pot, but it gave us such a flower. Really thankful to YVES Charlotte Splash. YVES Splash Charlotte. The more it opens, the more it looks like a peony, and that is a very desirable quality these days in roses, to look like a peony and to also have a wonderful perfume just like peonies do. And that's why in Japan they are very much sought after. Roses like this here, truly stunning. And usually when roses put so much effort on the colors, they do not manage to have scent, perfume, but this one has really everything. And here she is again, 3 days later. My goodness, look how beautiful this variegation is. And such, you know, on a huge flower, amazing peony shape, amazing perfume. So this one is a total winner, and I understand why they are so expensive. Yes, it's so beautiful. Even, you know, when these petals go down like this, it becomes so much more three-dimensional. Totally one of my most favorite roses ever.